Cloud Computing Essential Guide. Browse sections. Guide to Google Cloud Platform Services in the Enterprise. Compiled by Search Cloud Computing Staff. Last updated April 2019. Article: Google's multi-cloud platform goes GA as Anthos. Google's cloud services platform, now called Anthos, aims to make waves for hybrid and on-premises cloud management, but customers should be aware the GA tag has its limitations. Read now. Editor's note: as Google gains a foothold in the enterprise market, many IT admins and developers need to keep up with, and successfully implement, a diverse array of Google Cloud Platform services and tools. Google's cloud services include features for compute, storage, networking, and automation and orchestration. But the cloud provider has also emphasized emerging enterprise technologies within these domains, including managed Kubernetes and container services, machine learning and serverless computing. Enterprise cloud customers, such as retailer Kroger, rely on a range of these services. They demand agility from containers and infrastructure as code, but they also need dependability to keep core business services operational as they migrate to the cloud. In addition, Google must accommodate the hybrid cloud requirements of its enterprise customers, as evidenced with the debut of its Anthos platform, which became generally available at the Vendors Cloud Next 19 conference. Use this in-depth Google Cloud Platform guide to keep up with the latest developments in the provider's services lineup, receive expert advice to more effectively deploy and manage GCP resources, and evaluate how the provider stacks up to its competitors, including AWS and Microsoft Azure. Note: also check out our guide to all the major news from Google Cloud Next 2019, and dig into what comprises Google's cloud services portfolio. 1. Google Cloud Next 19 News. Cloud computing services evolve rapidly, and Google Cloud Platform is no exception. The public cloud provider grabbed headlines for a number of reasons at its Google Cloud Next conference, including the release of its multi- and hybrid cloud platform Anthos. Formerly known as Cloud Services Platform, Anthos aims to provide a way to centrally deploy and manage containerized applications that span on-premises and cloud environments. In addition, Google also made news around open-source software, Microsoft database support and elsewhere. Article: Google's multi-cloud platform goes GA as Anthos. Google's cloud services platform, now called Anthos, aims to make waves for hybrid and on-premises cloud management, but customers should be aware the GA tag has its limitations. Read now. Article: Google, open-source vendors join for cloud-managed services. Google has partnered with 7 prominent open-source software providers, including MongoDB and Redis, to tap customer demand for managed OS services in the cloud. Read now. Article: Google expands Windows support with Managed SQL Server. Google's decision to add SQL Server to its Cloud SQL family of managed database services is an appeal to Google Cloud Platform customers with ample Windows workloads. Read now. Article: Google Cloud Code extends VS Code, IntelliJ for the cloud. Google Cloud Code's plugins for IntelliJ and Visual Studio Code aim to make Google Cloud Platform more attractive for developers that build cloud-native apps. Read now. Blog: Google Cloud CEO Kurian conducts Enterprise Savvy Concert at Google Next. Google Cloud CEO Thomas Kurian's keynote at the Google Next show delivered a measured balance aimed to resonate with large enterprises as they weigh various cloud strategy options. Read now. 2. Google Cloud Resource Deployment and Operations. Price shouldn't be the only factor when choosing a cloud provider. Before selecting a vendor, determine the features and tools you'll need to run and manage cloud workloads as efficiently as possible. Google Cloud Services, including Deployment Manager, Cloud Composer and Cloud Scheduler, deliver automation, orchestration, job execution and other capabilities to reduce admins' manual efforts and save time. In addition, Google Compute Engine templates ensure consistent configurations across different VM instances. Other Google Cloud management tools, such as Access Transparency, provide IT teams with deeper insight into the actions performed on their infrastructure resources, even those by Google's own internal admin team. Article: Get started with Google Cloud Deployment Manager. Deployment Manager is Google's infrastructure as code tool. Learn about its features and how to automate use of resources such as Compute Engine, GKE and BigQuery. Read now. Article: Manage Google Cloud Instances with Images, Templates. Recent additions to Google Compute Engine, particularly around images and templates, streamline how admins can create and manage VMs. Read now. Article. Google Cloud Scheduler brings job automation to GCP. Google's Cloud Scheduler managed service assists with job execution and management for cloud workloads, and it evens another score with AWS and Azure.